the inaugural ceremony of Baroque Paramedical Institution and Technology. Our institute is a new venture of the Baroque Hamkarai Welfare Society. This society was founded by Mr. Jiten Debarma, President of the Baroque Hamkarai Welfare Society in 2003, along with 11 other members under the Society Act 1860. From there onwards, the society has embarked on a lush journey and made progress throughout these years. A lot of achievements have been added, the most notable being Madhyamik Dropout Coaching Center in Jirania, West Tripura, among which 89% of the enrolled students passed successfully. From 2007 to 2011, a special coaching class was arranged from classes 1 to 10 in Shimna, Shidai Mohanpur. A skill development center was opened under the scheme of Prime Minister Kaushal Vikas Yojana. NBC FDC program has been completed. BATP program has been completed in North Tripura district and currently running in the Shipahi Jola district. In today's era, paramedics are playing a crucial role in the medical sector to assist in hassle-free recovery. The possibilities of a paramedic is vast. Our institute aims to provide trained and qualified technical personnel in the field of paramedical science to support the medical sector. The emphasis of the paramedical science education program is on developing a cadre of professionals, and our institute aims to achieve that. Thank you and have a great evening.
Thank you, Mona Lisa Das, for the very sincere warm welcome address. Well, now to proceed to our next program, now may we invite paramedical faculties to come over the dais and present the welcome song.